Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your LinkedIn login problem. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you might want to do is simply go ahead and force close your application and try to reopen it. If that doesn't work, you might need to go ahead and recover your account, open any browser, and simply go ahead and search for LinkedIn recovery. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and click on the first link right over here, and then you can simply go ahead and recover your account by heading straight into the recover or access tab right over here. It's going to go ahead and take a little while in order to go ahead and load in, and click on reset your password. Finally, you want to simply go ahead and enter your email or phone that is associated with your account. They're going to send you a verification code to that. And when you enter that back, they're going to let you create a new password. However, if that is not the cause and you think the application is the cause, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.